Hey, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get 1 lakh to 1 million's quora views. And so basically, how to promote your affiliate link on quora.com. Quora is a top social media questions and answer platform in the world right now. 775 millions of people visit every month on quora.com. Can you imagine? So how to promote your affiliate link, right? So first of all, what type of product or service you want to promote on quora.com. So basically I want to go on a suggestion page. One person questions here, which site can I earn money daily? So otherwise you want to hear video editor. Who are the best video YouTube video creators? A person questions here. So basically you answer the questions at a top level. If I scroll down, this person answered the questions 1 years ago, but this person got 7 like and 2 comment. This is no matter because if you answer every day 10 questions, basically monthly you have 300 answer. Then if I going to my profile, you can see last month I got 76,000 views on quora.com. Then if I want to here click on a lifetime, you can see here are 2 lakh and 72,000 views. So how to promote your affiliate link? Then what are the best apps for finding freelance work? So I copy these questions, then go to chat GPT, then paste here your questions, then enter your keyboard. Basically if you want to work this method, you don't need a laptop, desktop and others a high quality device. Only if you have a mobile phone, this is enough. So now just copy this article, then go to your quora.com, then just click on answer, then paste. You can see Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr. This is your affiliate partner. So I have a Fiverr affiliate. This is my affiliate link. This is only example of when you join lots of affiliate program, then you got some and lots of link you can promote here for free. So then just click this icon, then click on here, again click on this icon, then paste your affiliate link. Keep in mind this is only example, this is not real. So just click here. So if you want to interest add an image, this is a good things. So wow, this is really good answer. Just click on post. When you answer daily 10 questions, this is monthly 300. So if you can do this work again and again after 1 years, I guarantee you got every month at least 1 lakh to 5 lakh views. Absolutely free method. So if you want to more video to type of, please comment below. I will try to create a specific video only for you.